It's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. If you like carbon fiber like I do, like our beautiful trimline spoilers for the Model 3, or if you like the effects of having the carbon fiber handles on the side, you're going to love, in addition to our carbon fiber molded side view mirrors, you're going to love our brand new in stock carbon fiber side markers or turn signal indicator covers. These are awesome. They're great. They simply fit on just like this. They hold in place with double-sided tape, and that's it. Just simply pull the tape off, stick them on. We have glossy, and of course we have matte. So we're going to show you how these work, how to install them. All you're going to need is one piece of alcohol prep that we're going to include, and a little bit of tape to hold them down until they're fully dry. So let's get started and show you how easy these go on. And again, with any type of adhesive, you need to have it clear and the mating part to be clean and clear of any kind of dirt, oils, or residues. So we're going to put super strong 3M VHB tape on the back. It's going to fit right on there. All you got to do is clean it, put it on. So let's get started. Open up the alcohol wipe and wipe off all of the chrome area. And again, scrub it good first. This is just the final step you want to do just to make sure we get a real strong bond. And then here is the side marker for the passenger side. We're going to peel off the red tape and we're going to stick it down. It's that easy. And then we're going to put a little extra duct tape on it to hold it down while the VHB cures. It does take 72 hours. So please keep it taped down. You don't want these blowing off on the freeway and losing one. And the last long piece, which secures the top, this is the most critical one, as this has the greatest surface area, and this is the one you're going to press down on. So again, this is pressure sensitive adhesive tape, which means it's only activated with pressure. So you can't just stick it on and walk away. We have to apply pressure. See how it's carbon all the way through? No fillers, no fiberglass, just simply beautiful. So now, from a high angle, you may want to watch this. You're going to line up the end piece, the top piece, put it right on the back, and push down. I mean, that's it. It's just on perfect. We'll show you the fit a little better here, and use a towel or something and just press down. Now, the three pieces have to have pressure. You want it to bond really strong to this aluminum piece. And that's it. I mean, look at that. We're going to get some shots of it with the sunlight hitting it perfect. And then we're going to show you a little bit of video of the matte one so you can see them side by side. But look at how nice this looks. Beautiful. A great match for the side view mirrors. Again, glossy carbon fiber or matte. Simple to put on. Now we're going to apply the double-sided tape. And we'll show you how to do this just from a broad view. Again, you just want to tape it down, especially under the leading edge where the wind could get to it. So take the first piece and cover this edge here. That way, if any wind gets under it, it's not going to lift it off. And then we could put one on top if you want, or maybe just one on the back. But we always try to put it on the carbon fiber first and then stretch it towards the car. And that way you're putting pressure on the tape and on it. But man, don't you guys love it? I think it's great. Thanks again. We're going to get some still photos. And these are in stock. We have 20 pairs. They're going to go quick, and then we'll have another 50 next week. All right, now if you've ordered our vinyl decals for the turn signal indicator and you're upgrading to carbon fiber, let's take a look how easy this comes off. So just pick out an edge and do this in sunlight, or you're going to need a hair dryer or some kind of a warm source of air. So you'll notice that if the vinyl is warmed up, you're not going to leave residue on the chrome part, and it'll be quicker and faster to install it. So just get an edge started. As I'm picking at it here, you'll see what I mean. And right now it's about 75 degrees out. If you happen to lift it too hard, you can pull the whole molding off. Okay? Zoom in, please. This whole molding is coming off because the molding is held on with double-sided tape. We don't want you to do that. That's going to complicate things. It's just double-sided tape underneath this chrome piece. So hold it down with one hand and pull it slowly. And if it does come loose, you can, a little bit of warm air, you can reactivate the double-sided tape underneath here. And we'll even show you what that looks like. So let's take a look at this piece. See if we can get it off again. So this piece here, you can see, has double-sided tape underneath. Again, I don't want to pull it off. When you pull it off, you also could dent it. It's really, really thin aluminum. So anyway, just press it down or warm it up with hot air and push it down. All right, that'll help alleviate that whole problem. And again, rubbing alcohol is how you get off residual adhesive. So see how a little bit of pressure on here takes it all off. And you might have to roll your towel around because you don't want any of this underneath there. You don't want to interfere with it until you get all the adhesive off. So you get a perfect, clean, bright, polished turn signal indicator. And once there's nothing left on it and it's spotless, just install this side the way we did the other.